Hi K2. So this week we are talking about solid shapes, and earlier you guys saw me do an I Spy in my house to look for solid shapes. So with these solid shapes we can see other shapes inside of them. So let's go look at the first page. So this page has 4 different boxes, and they want you to do the same thing and do a shape hunt in your house and find 4 different shapes that are solid figures. So one can be a cylinder, and an example of a cylinder would be a soup can, or a roll of toilet paper is also in the shape of a cylinder. For a cube, you can find a Lego piece. Lego cubes are squared, and they can also have 6 sides. They're just in the shape of a Lego. Another thing you can find is a rectangular prism, and you guys can find maybe a box that is the same shape. Like I have a Jenga box that's the shape of a rectangular prism. And you guys can also find a sphere. So a sphere is like a ball. If you guys have a ball somewhere, that is a sphere. So let's go ahead and look at this. So let's look at the example up on top. On top, this girl got a gift and she's like, hey, I know this is the shape of a cube. Here she has a can of a tomato soup, and the can is the shape of a cylinder. Here she has a party hat, just like the one I had in my last video. And she's like, hey, this is the shape of a cone. And a ball, it's a sphere. So numbers 1 through 8 ask you to identify the objects that are the same as the picture that they show next to the number. So they did number 1 with us. So for number 1, they said, this is a sphere. Find the sphere here. So they said this one has no sides. Therefore, this must be a sphere. Number 2, this is a cube. Remember, a cube has 6 sides, and each side has a square on it. We can see the squares. Okay, so I know that they circled this one. So this is our cube. This is our cylinder. Remember, a cylinder has 2 flat sides, and this would be our cone. Okay. Number 3, they want us to find the cylinder. So I know that this has no flat surfaces, so this cannot be our cylinder. But look, this one can. It's lying down, but it has 2 flat surfaces. And we know that this one has 6 flat surfaces, so it can't be that one. For number 4, we have a cone, and a cone only has 1 flat surface. So if we look at this one, we see there's 1 flat surface here and 1 here. So therefore this one cannot be it. And this one has no flat surfaces, so it can't be this one. But let's look at this one. This one has 1 flat surface. So we know that it is this one. So I want you guys to try numbers 5 through 8 on your own.